Everyone, it's currently here, Rami, and here with me is the lead star of the indie film, Ili. Hi, Sir Queen. Hello. Yes, how are you po?
Okay naman.
So, konting question lang. How can you tell us about your character in the movie?
Yung character ko, may gusto siya sa character ko. So, nililigawan ko. But, merong ibang love gusto niya si Kaya Bash.
Siya yung Japanese.
Yeah, yung Japanese. Pero in love siya dun sa Japanese officer.
And how challenging po yung role niyo dito compared po sa ibang role na ginampanan niyo before?
Actually, period siya. So, kailangan may certain mannerisms, may certain way of talking. Hindi pwede yun.
Pero kinuha po ba siya ng time ng Japanese period? Or sir, period po after Japanese period? Ano po yung timeline po? Yung story?
Mag-umpisa siya sa yun talaga mismo, sa Japanese invasion sa umalis sila. Dahil tumatik na yung mga Amerikano.
And may something po ba siya sa history? May natouch po ba siya something sa history? Or may ano po ba siya? May konting touch on the history? Or may character po bang pinapagod about history?
Yeah, definitely. It's about our nation's history, specifically during the Japanese occupation.
And also the characters are more fictional. Or meron ba siyang pinag-inspire na istorya ng Japanese movie?
Ilyu is based on a real story that happened back then in the Japanese. So it's based on that, and there's a real like Fidela and a real Takahashi. And they really fell in love.
Exciting. And one last question po, ano po ibig sabihin ng Ilyu?
Ibig sabihin niya, nostalgia.